Okay. So we're gonna play some doorbell and knocking sounds. Or yes, knocking sounds. Notice no barking, no moving forward. Now a doorbell sound. I'll approach. Hey, how are you? So it's really important to understand that here she's not doing that because she doesn't feel emboldened. She doesn't feel like she needs to. Why? Because of the relationship that we have. And if I took her in and I started loving on her and trying to make her comfortable and trying to get her to love me and see that I'm a nice person, or whatever we feel we need to do there, I can then create a dog that ends up feeling that they need to be protected because I am sharing to them softness with them, weakness, submissiveness. It gives them the impression, it can give them the impression that they need to protect. With her being an insecure dog, being more skittish, fearful, we don't want to embolden her. We want to show her that we understand her and that it's fine to stay away, it's fine to run away. I want her to experience things at her pace. It's very important. If you notice through the videos, I've let her really do her thing, but I'm showing her the routine and I'm letting her know what I do not like, even though I really haven't had to say anything. I haven't said anything to her that I don't like, other than sometimes when she's like, at the very beginning when she went to go a totally different direction, I was like, hey, what are you doing? Come on, let's go this way. But yeah, it's just so important, and most people don't understand what I'm talking about. They just are trying to do things without the understanding of this is a relationship when we need to understand how she feels and what we need to be in every moment. And if we're just doing things, we're going to make mistakes. And she's a good dog. I've never had an issue with her with people, but I definitely see where it can come from. It's that insecurity, that nervousness. I mean, and then people trying to reach and trying to make her feel better. Us trying to tell her she's okay and it's all good. That she just needs to trust us, and we're doing it in a way that doesn't make sense to her. She goes, okay, I did it. And so she does what she feels she needs to do. It's simple as that. Genetically, she's a more fearful dog. And then the environment then has told her that she needs to protect. And so then when she switches environments, she goes back to that fearful, skittish dog that's not emboldened. And so I don't see the same problems. But I know that I see the root. So please ask any questions, reach out. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, let's talk about it.